I will explain all the steps that you need to know to start investing in a Vanguard Roth IRA. I will show how to open a Roth IRA, how to transfer money to it, how to buy ETFs or mutual funds inside your Roth IRA, and how to automate this entire process. To get started, go to the Vanguard website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, in the top right, there should be a button that says open an account, and so you can just create your account that way. Once you're logged in on the Vanguard homepage, this is what it should look like. To start the process of opening a Roth IRA, click Product and Services, then IRAs. Click Open an IRA. There are different types of IRAs that you can open, but in this case, we'll be opening a Roth IRA, so we'll click this here. The screen will ask you to verify your information. Just make sure all of it's correct, and if it is, just click Continue. Enter your home address and phone number. If it's not already pre-populated, then click Continue. Now we will specify how to transfer money to our Roth IRA. In this example, I will show you how to connect to your bank account so that you can easily transfer money from it. In this drop-down option, click Add a new bank, then click Continue. Click Connect my bank. From this list, choose your existing bank and follow all the instructions that you see to successfully connect your bank account to your Roth IRA. Once you've successfully connected your bank account, go ahead and select it from the drop down here. Hit Continue. Specify the amount that you want to contribute. In this example, I'll just do $1. Once you transfer money from your bank account to your Roth IRA, it needs to go to a specific type of fund. And this page explains the difference between the two funds. Just select the one that's most appropriate for you. I'll just select the first option for now. Fill out all of your employment info and scroll to the bottom and just check the box that applies to you. I just selected none of these apply to me for now and click Continue. Specify your income and net worth and just click Continue. Now it's asking where your money is coming from that you will be using to fund your Roth IRA. Most people will select salary, so that's why I picked for now, and I'll just hit Continue. Select the option that applies to you. I'll just select the very first option in this example. This page shows all the options that we've selected so far. Just double check all of them are correct. If it is, just click Continue and just follow the rest of the prompts to open your Vanguard Roth IRA. Now that you have successfully opened a Roth IRA, now I will show you how to use the money inside your Roth IRA to buy investments like stocks, mutual funds, or bonds. In this example, I will be buying a mutual fund, but the exact same process applies to both stocks and bonds. On the Vanguard homepage, click Transact, Buy and Sell. Type in the name of the investment that you want to buy. In this case, I'll just be doing VT Sachs, which is a mutual fund. Click Get Quote, Buy. Select your Roth IRA from this dropdown. Type in the amount you want to invest inside this mutual fund. In this example, I'll just do $1. In this second step, select your bank account from the dropdown. If you have multiple Roth IRAs, you can specify which year you want to contribute to. I'll just do 2026 for this example. Click Preview Order. This is the confirmation page. And the very last step is to click Submit Order. And now you successfully bought an investment inside your Roth IRA. Now I will show you how you can automate this process so you don't have to do this manually every single time you want to buy an investment inside your Roth IRA. You can automate the process for both ETFs and mutual funds. To automate the process with ETFs, go back to the Vanguard homepage, click Transact, Recurring Transactions. This will be a two-step process. We will have to set up two different automatic investments. One automatic investment will transfer money from our bank account to our settlement fund, and the second automatic investment will transfer money from our settlement fund to the specific Vanguard ETF that we are trying to buy. Now I will show you how to set up the automatic investment to transfer money from your bank account to your settlement fund. Click Settlement Fund. Select your Roth IRA account. Make sure this option says bank account. Select the contribution year if you have multiple Roth IRAs. If you're just opening your first one, then you should only see 2026 as an option. Select your contribution method. If you want to enter a specific amount, just select the second option. Select your bank from the dropdown. Select your frequency. For the date, just make sure to select a couple days before your automatic investment takes place. For example, if you want your automatic investment to take place on the 15th of every month, then we want to make sure that there's money in our settlement fund before the 15th. So I would just select a couple days beforehand just to make sure. So in this example, I'll just select like the 11th to make sure there's enough time for the money to transfer from my bank account to my settlement fund. Specify how much you want to transfer. In this example, I'll just do $100. And then for this option, I'll just do dollar amount. Make sure you select settlement fund so that we're transferring money from our bank account to the settlement fund. And it should just be the same exact amount that you typed in here. Click Continue. This is the last page. Just click Submit to successfully set up an automatic investment from your bank account to your settlement fund. Now I will show you how to set up an automatic investment to buy a specific Vanguard ETF. Go back to the Vanguard homepage, click Transact, Recurring Transactions, Vanguard ETFs. From this dropdown, select your Roth IRA account. For the schedule, you can choose how often you want this automatic investment to run. In this example, I'll just do it once a month, so I'll select monthly. And for the start date, I'll just say like the 15th of every month. You can specify if you want this automatic investment to end on some specific date, but for now, I'll just choose none. For the third step, we just need to choose the fund that we want to set up the automatic investment for. Just a quick note, in order to see your ETFs here, you need to have at least one share of it. Since I have at least 2 shares of each of these ETFs, that's why I can see it here. In this example, I would set up an automatic investment for VOO, and I'll just put like $100 for each automatic investment that I make. For step 4, we just need to specify how we'll pay for each of these automatic investments. Assuming you do have enough in your settlement fund, we can just continue by clicking preview order, click agree and submit, and now you successfully set up automatic investments for your Vanguard ETF. Now I will show you how to automate the process of investing in Vanguard mutual funds. Back on the Vanguard homepage, click transact, recurring transactions, Vanguard mutual funds, click use current version, select your Roth IRA account. Out of these 2 options, I would select bank account so that money is taken directly from your bank account. Select a specific year for your Roth IRA if you have multiple. If you just have one, you should just see 2026. The first option here will automatically calculate how much you need to invest so that you max out your Roth IRA. The second option allows you to enter a specific amount, so I'll just do this option for this example. Select your bank account, select the frequency, select when you want it to start, so I'll just do the 15th. You can specify when you want the automatic investment to stop. Specify the amount you want to invest every single time. So every single month, I just want to invest $100. And then for this option, just click dollar amount, or you can do percentage or the other option if you want. Select which mutual fund you want to set up an automatic investment for. In this example, I'll just do VT Sachs. Just like for ETFs, you need to have at least one share of this mutual fund before you can start setting automatic investments for it. I specified $100, then click continue. The very last step is to click submit, and now you've successfully set up automatic investments for your Vanguard mutual funds. And that is the end of this ultimate Vanguard Roth IRA guide.